All right, so we are now on week 5. So basically the way this is going to work is like this. We're going to do 4 labs, then you have a project, and you'll have a week to do that project. Then we're going to have 4 more labs, then you'll have a week to do that project. Then we'll have 4 more labs, and then you'll have a week to do that project. Okay? So we've done 4 labs. Now this is the week you get to do your project. Basically, the projects are the same thing that we've been doing in the labs, but instead of it being 1 quarter, you're going to do all of it over this 1 week. This lab, what I want you to do is pretty much what we did in the labs, but not about me. I kind of did it about me, although not really, because I just threw in random stuff. But I want you to make a biography webpage about yourself. So you can do this however you want. You have full artistic choices, because unlike in the labs, you pretty much just have to copy what I'm doing exactly, which is not very fun. It's not very interesting, but it should give you a general idea of what you need to do. This project, you get to do kind of whatever you want. Now, it should include some things, basically the things that we've been doing. Obviously, it's got to be HTML. Obviously, it's got to be CSS, right? I want you to include images, links. You can do absolute links just like Google or something. It doesn't really matter, but maybe to your favorite website or a place you like. Should have a nav bar. It can be a dead nav bar. It doesn't have to have like actually go somewhere, but just make a nav bar like we did last week. So it needs to have those elements in it. But I'm going to be grading this a little bit more stringently than I would have graded the other ones. Where the other ones you just kind of had to do them, and even if you didn't do a great job, as long as it looked like you were clearly really trying, I graded them pretty leniently, right? So those, and that's basically, I think almost 50% of your grade is that. I think it's 40%. The projects are actually going to be worth 50%. So this is going to be, and I'm going to grade this a lot more stringently. So what I want you to do is be more creative. I'm going to look at color scheme. I want you to do a good design. I want you to do the best that you can, and be you. This is your chance to kind of use what we've done and to basically do your own thing with it, okay? But it's just a single web page, just like we already did for the previous labs, but I want it to be about you. Don't copy exactly what we did. Like, don't do the same style. I want you to do something different, okay? Creativity and craftsmanship, make sure it's clean, that it works well. If you run into any issues, just email me and I will try my best to help you. We'll do it together if we have to, okay? But that's the goal. Basically, you have this week to complete that. When you are done with it, you're going to complete it, and then you're also going to, and you're going to submit it, but you're also going to post it in the discussion board so that we can all see your work, okay? And once you post it, then you're going to look at least 2 other people's and look at theirs and, post some constructive criticisms and what have you, all right? So the projects we will do discussion boards for. Yeah, that's basically it. All right, so good luck, guys. You got this.